Today, Governor Greg Abbott expanded quarantine rules for travelers coming into Texas. KXAN's Wes Rapaport has been following these developments and has the very latest from the Texas Capitol.
I will be issuing some additional executive orders.
Governor Abbott announced any air travelers from California, Washington State, or the cities of Miami, Chicago, Detroit, or Atlanta must fill out a DPS form and self-quarantine for 2 weeks. That adds on to a list of travel locations including New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Abbott also updated a previous order which included air travel from New Orleans to now include any road travel from people entering Texas from Louisiana.
Executive orders that I issue about travel is keenly focused on one main goal, and that is to reduce importing COVID-19 into the state of Texas.
Abbott also issued an executive order that he says will stop the release of dangerous felons from prisons and jails in Texas. He says his temporary statewide mandate will avoid disparities in local release policies. Included in that order is a provision that states a person arrested on a charge relating to physical violence or anyone behind bars who has a history of physical violence won't be able to bond out.
Releasing dangerous criminals from jails into the streets is not the right solution.
In Sunday's address, Abbott announced the state's first pop-up hospital for COVID-19 patients will be at the Cave Bailey Hutchison Convention Center in Dallas, led by the Army Corps of Engineers and the Texas National Guard. State leaders say that hospital space will include 250 beds at first, but could expand to 1,400 beds if need be.
We're basically looking at 3 different types of facilities. There's hospitals that are and clinics that are currently not in use. There are arenas and convention centers, and there's also hotels that could be converted potentially into alternative care sites.
Wes Rapaport, KXAN News.
And the question we all want to know, when will Texas schools and businesses reopen? Governor Abbott said he's waiting for formal guidance from the White House Coronavirus Task Force before deciding when to loosen quarantine and social distancing restrictions.